Hey Chris, I spoke with Kelly this morning and my name is Lee Turabienic and I came across your website so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you guys 3 things that you can begin to do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of this video you like what you hear and become more interested on how I can help you guys out, please give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm no foul, just take these tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on the video at the end. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to go over today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now content is basically anything that you see on this front page, including pictures and what they're saved as. So all this writing is considered content, and Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on your home page. Now you got to think Google is only a bot, and all it can do is crawl and read your site. So if you don't have enough information with the keywords that people are actually searching each month, it's not going to really know what to rank you for, nor what you guys are trying to provide to your clients. So when I talk about keywords, I'm going to show you a list of keywords that people are actually typing into the Google search engine each and every month. So as you can see, Roto-Rooter Cincinnati, that's someone looking for Roto-Rooter, but plumbers in Cincinnati, Ohio, 300 searches, and it's got a KD of 9. So this is the keyword, the volume, and the keyword difficulty. 0 being the easiest to rank for, and 100 would be the hardest to rank for. So a 19 isn't bad. But that's 300 people typing plumbers in Cincinnati, Ohio, each and every month looking for a plumber. As you can see, this is a monthly number. Plumbing Cincinnati, Ohio, 117. Cincinnati plumber, 100. Plumbers Cincinnati, 150 searches. Plumbers Cincinnati, Ohio, 80. Cincinnati plumbers, 100. Plumber Cincinnati, Ohio, 30. 24-hour plumber Cincinnati, 40. Plumbers in Cincinnati, 40. So as you can see, there's tons of search volume in your area, and if you're ranking on the first page, so when someone is looking for a plumber, you're going to get that business. But unfortunately, you're not ranking there. Roto-Rooter is ranking up there along with Benjamin, Franklin Plumbing, Nair Plumbing, but that's okay. So anyways, now that we're back here, I want to break down Google for you. Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is ads, and these companies are all paying to be here. It can get very costly, and 9 times out of 10, these clicks are bogus and you're wasting money. And if you're ranking in these other 2 sections, it's completely unnecessary. So I want to touch base on this middle section, or second section, called the Google Map Pack, or GMB, Google My Business. As you can see, Tarvin Plumbing is in first place at the moment, and what ranks you in this section is called a citation. A citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one of them. So I did a quick search on this tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder, and I pay for it monthly, and I did Tarvin Plumbing and put his information in, and it's showing he has 64 citations. That's what's claiming this first position right now. Best part about this is we can go into his citations and go and grab all the ones. Here's all the citation sources laid out for us to be submitted for your business. As you can see, submittable. Now these aren't created equal, and this domain authority shows that. This is how much power it's transferring by having this source. 96, 93, 90, 89. These are some pretty strong ones, and it goes down. But as you can see, all this whole list, we can get all these for your business. They're all submittable, and then we can beat him out. But I would like to add 100 or 200 more to really swamp out these guys, never let them come back up and beat you again. Plus, that's getting your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you when looking for your service. Now, this third section I want to talk about is called the organic section, and it has to deal directly with your website. So what ranks you in this section is a backlink. Now, a backlink is any other website that links back to your website. I'm sure you've seen them before on websites where there's blue hyperlink, you click on it, it takes you to another website. Well, that's that website giving that other website a backlink. It's saying, yes, I'll vouch for that business. I'm glad to send my traffic to it. It's legit. And Google loves those and counts them as votes. So the more votes you have, the higher your rank. So back at that tool that I use called Ahrefs, this will show me a basic overview of all your site stats. So as you can see, I put Schneller Air up in here in the search bar. And this UR and DR is your overall scores of your website. This UR is your overall page strength, and this DR is the overall strength of your backlink profile. As you can see, you have 301 websites giving you almost 5,000 backlinks. But these aren't created equal, just like the citations. These do follow links are the ones that transmit the power, and you have 189 of those. You're ranking for 3.7 keywords, and you're getting around 1,500 traffic. So if we go back over to rotorooter.com, his Cincinnati location page, it's going to pull up his stats. And as you can see, he does have more stronger backlink profile than you guys. But that's because Rotorooter is a franchise business. But it's just this page that we need to beat, really. So as you can see, he has 64 referring domains, giving him 498 backlinks. But he only has 15 that are powerful. But the good part about this is we can go to the actual rotorooter.com domain, see what real backlinks his whole website has, and we know that it's powering his page, so we know that they're strong. So we can go into his referring domains once it loads. And here's all the domain sources for all those very powerful backlinks that they have laid out to be submitted for your business. Now we know that they're all strong because he's ranking in the first position. So we know it worked for him, it'll work for you, and there's pages of these. So we want to go after all these strong DR ones, 37, 40, 91, 55, and grab those for your business. Now, I want to show you a quick view of this site that we built, and this is going to show you what content I was talking about. As you can see, content, and here's a reference to those keywords: pressure washing Somerville, cleaning services, pressure wash King, Charleston pressure washing services, So now when people are typing this exact phrase, it gets pulled to this website if it's powered and ranking at the top. That's where those backlinks come into play. So let's touch base again on what we spoke about. Front page needs at least 1,500 words, so we could fit a lot of those keywords on this and start pulling that traffic from them. The second thing we talked about was citations, which is what ranks you in this Google Map Hack section. I want to go and grab 200 to 300 for your business, beat out these guys by a landslide, plus to get your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you. And the third thing we talked about, and probably the most important when it comes to your website, is backlinks and link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my phone number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Chris, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave some feedback at the end. Thank you.